get you what you want, but you want me alone. Baby, I get you what you want.
Yes, sir.
Welcome back to a daily recap. Today is Friday, 17th of February, 2023. Man, we making big gains on the day. Mr. Wayne joining us tonight,
My
man.
My
making
boy.
150 on the day. God, please. Man,
Today was a great day, my boys.
straight up, man.
Yes.
Rostrum, man. My boy is up. I'm up about $80 on the day. Got my account over 500. This man got his account over 400. Doubled up on the week, man. Come on, do not play with them.
Straight up double up on the week.
Come on now, we done tripled up our accounts. Now we going to 1,000. The goal is $1,000 up in the accounts, and we're gonna start trading with them ES minis. We trade with the micros right now, just taking it small. But yeah, man, let's go over these charts while we got a minute here to spare. It is Friday night, feeling good. Made us some money this week. I was down early in the week. I was down in the gutters. I was down like $68. Came back, and then today just crushed it, leaving the markets in turmoil. So yeah, let's go over these charts, see what we got cracking on the week, see what we could expect. Maybe we could expect something this next week. We're gonna have a good next week. See what we got cracking. And let me just get off all these indicators and stuff so we can see stuff clearly.
Run it back.
And man, comment down below how'd y'all do this week. Man, what'd y'all see? How much did y'all make? How much did y'all lose? Man, like, comment, subscribe, all that. Dislike me if you want. But yeah, man, let's get into it. On the yearly, man, we were talking about this last night, how these gaps always needed to be filled. Talking about this last night with how these gaps need to be filled with a candle body, not a wick. So yesterday realized that there's excess liquidity under that 4061 area right down here. Actually, let me go to the electronic trading hours. We targeted that electronic trading hour down below that 4060 area. This is now taken out. Boom. Now here's the next run on liquidity down under that 56 area. Under there is the next sell stops will be broken, and we have this sort of, let's see, 180 days. Let's just take it easy. 180 days. Got this bullish trend. Excess liquidity garnered over here. 43.36. Let me go back to the 1 year again. We have left this gap open right up here in the 32 and the 220s, which makes me suspect that we'll come back here sometime in the following weeks. I think I called it out yesterday. Did we upload that video yesterday? Yeah, we uploaded it last night.
Yeah, I think it's gonna come next week. Sure.
Yeah, we uploaded that last night. I was saying within the next, what did I say, 14 days, the next 2 to 4 weeks, that we will get up potentially up here, fill this gap, and then the next run on liquidity is above that 4328 area. Don't know if we'll hit that, but I think we'll reject off this gap first and foremost, wick into it, reject off of it, and then come back and blow by it with a candle that we need to see. Anyways, let's keep flowing in these charts. 180 days bullish, 3 month on the 90 days bullish trend, going up, targeting that sell side liquidity under 4060 today. That's where we got in under that 4060 area right here. Got in today. Where did we get in? Like 40 Man, this man trailed my stop. I was in 40.59, took it all the way up above 40.82 today for a 30 handler.
Straight up.
Man, come on. Do not play with them boys, man. Do not play with them boys.
Yeah, today I really wanted to let the trade do what it needed to do instead of just seeing, you know, 20, 50, $60 or something like that, and just like I just wanted to risk it, to be honest with you, and see how far we could build in our equity and our liquidity, just like reaching for the zone. Like if I know it's going for a specific area and liquidity, I want to see it run all the way up there. Like I don't want to just take the commercials. I'm trying to see if I'm correct or not. You know what I mean?
And you said something too today that I was like thinking about, because I had gone off the charts for a little bit, but you said, hey, if we're reading it right, we may as well just like push it on days like these. And man, I exited out the charts. I done lost $30 off the top of what I made, and I was just like, but you were right about pushing it, because look what it did today as well. Like, man, it came back down. We said we didn't get this entry right here. You remember that? It just took off without us. We didn't get the entry. It never came back below there. So,
And the volume today was relatively like low. Like it didn't even, I feel like it was barely moving. Like imagine next week or when we have some like really good news or something like that, where we got a lot of volume, a lot of volatility. Like we are just starting to refine our strategy and our edge, or whatever you want to call it. Like I feel like when we have the right opportunities, like we're really gonna see like some real numbers. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I think
gonna start going.
Today was like, man, today was a killer day, man. We could have essentially pushed it today if we really wanted to, but we made a huge morning, and I don't know. I was comfortable with sitting back a little bit, like how Mr. Wayne put it the other day, just multiply what you make on these micros by 10. I essentially made 800. This man made like 1,500 today. And shoot, if you look at it like that, when you're trading the micros, that's just one contract. You make 800, and if you're trading 10 contracts, this man made 15 racks today. So
to my CT level.
Straight up, man. So really, the most important part is we followed our strategy, and we're just constantly just finding our strategy and making it scalable. Because after you find a profitable strategy that is repeatable, that is profitable, you can then scale it up, and that's what we'll be doing here eventually later down the road into our time in the markets. But man, this is just repeatable, the sell side, and then taking this all the way up to that buy side, that double top right here. Excess liquidity sitting over that 40.83. That's where we are looking to exit over here. I got out prematurely this 40.82, 40.80 area. Quick $97. Got in under here. Both got in under here and sold up into here. But man, solid morning. Solid morning. Now let's keep reviewing. So yeah, we broke that sell side right there, man. Broke that sell side. Then we came back. Like, this is how I feel like we could have pushed it today, because we didn't catch our entry right here. On Tradivate, it's weird because this never went under here. This never wicked under like it did on TradingView. So that's what makes it so weird. But we're waiting for this entry under that 40.57 area, and it finally wicked under right here. And then look where it pushed. Over this resting liquidity over the most recent high over that 40.87 area. Pushed up to 40.90. So could have pushed it today, didn't. It's okay. I think we had a solid day. We did. We pushed it today, but essentially like what we could have done is bought it down here, sold it up here, and then got a short sell all the way back down to under here, and then bought it for a fucking sell over here type bit. That would have been crazy.
I did want to buy that third one, but you were looking for a specific area, and I just was like,
this one.
Yeah, I was gonna buy that one.
Yeah, my charts were off. Did you see this come down here?
I didn't see it make a lower low, because I was just on Tradivate.
No, but I mean, were you in the market when this happened though, when that third one? Because I remember it took off in Tradivate right here, and you're like, oh, we missed the entry type shit. I was like, nah, I never.
You had that third low. I was on that second candle.
This one?
That's where I saw it. That's the first candle. The second one that formed.
Oh, this one?
Up one.
This one?
Yep. So
Oh,
I saw the move right in that second candle.
You saw it after it had made that move under there, and then it was making.
Which isn't a bad entry as well, but
yeah, most
I see a
optimal
lot
entry.
of there's a lot of buy side liquidity still.
Yeah, there is.
Look at that gap, bro.
There is, and look on this daily. On the daily, we have a gap formed right here. Let me mark this out. We have this gap formed right here at 4,100 down to here. That needs to be filled. That will most likely fill early in the week. And then, so yeah, we have resting sell side liquidity taken out on Friday. Potentially could give us a huge upside week this next week. Potentially we could come down and maybe, let's see. So we know we have huge sell side under here. Look how many candles this is. This is three damn candles. So we know we have sell side. If this retests this under here, under that 57 area, I feel like we could definitely see some highs of 41.69. But again, buy side over that double top over here. We definitely have buy side over that 41.45 area. Buy side over here on this double top over 41.70. And then all the way up to where I like that gap. All this hasn't been hit right here. This has not been touched. This hasn't been touched. And then this is sort of double top right here over 41.86. It's almost a double top.
Yeah, I'm trying to wipe out that whole zone.
Right. This whole. Right. This. That's why I think that if this whole zone is wiped out, it's gonna come up to that in between this area and then reject off of it. And I'm just looking for that rejection up here for sure. One of these days in this upcoming weeks.
I could be wrong. Like, it could be a change of structure. But I honestly think once we clear out those zones, we're dumping, bro. Like, I think we're big dump for a while. Like for a month or like, straight month or two.
Check this out. If I was a neophyte trader, I'd be like, this is still very bullish right here, but like it's sort of like squeezing. Trend. It's squeezing a little bit, and then I think we're gonna have some sort of explosion within the next 2 weeks into that channel right here. That's why I'm like, because I mean, as a newbie trader, I used to see how things like just squeeze up here. Let me see, like just getting tighter and tighter and squeezing. Yeah, I think it could potentially come under that 40-50 area again, that 40-55 area again. Grab liquidity down there. On the sell side, because man, we know we have huge sell side right here. We have a triple bottom. Let me see on the hourly. Yeah, we have a quadruple bottom right here. So we know we have resting sell side sitting all the way right here. Also sell side sitting under 40.49. So I mean, it's very close to right here. So we'll just have to see if this can hit and even take out this right here. We'll get that sell side under there taken out, and then I want to see these highs over 41.88 taken out.
Bro, we going 4,300, then we going 3,600, bro.
Yeah, I think we definitely get up to 42.80 within the next 4 weeks. So 90 days bullish trend, 30 days bullish trend. Have this double bottom right here where we're accessing liquidity under that 40.62 today. Will it come down to that under 40.49? Who knows? But we know we have sell side sitting right here. Let me go ahead and mark this area. So a very specific area right here. And then we'll just go ahead and put a line at this area. So yeah, we know we have resting sell side sitting all under here. And then buy side is sitting all over there. So yeah, guys, huge bullish trend. We're in a bullish, intermediate bullish trend. Overall, 5-year on the weekly, we are sitting. it's hard to tell because we're having this sell off. We made a lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. Now we made a higher low. So we're in this intermediate bullish trend right now from 3,500. So I think we could take this all the way up, grab some in that buy side above that 43.48 area in the next 2 to 4 weeks. I'm gonna say I think March is gonna be a huge month, March to April, and then we'll see how far this can go. If this can't make a higher high, like ICT said, there are seasonal movements. So if the Dow, if the Nasdaq, if the S&P 500 cannot make a higher high, we'll look for some sort of weakness, and then we'll look for a move on down into the summer months. So yeah, guys, I think we could have a potentially very huge next 4 to 8 weeks going into March and April, seeing this thing run up all the way up to 43.50. So right here's 17th of February 2023. I'm calling it. I think we're gonna potentially see 43.50. And that is my guesstimate. Man, what you seeing, Mr. Wayne?
Man, excited. Excitement is an emotion as well. You gotta stay calm, stay patient, of course, but just getting more time in the marketplace and just learning a lot lately and being rewarded for that learning process. Really gives me a lot of hope and just getting really excited about it, man. Today was one of those days, being rewarded for the time we're putting in, and only more to come, bro.
Definitely.
Trying to scale these accounts to up to a rack, above a rack a little bit. Try ES,
Yep. Just growing it steady like a business should be. I mean, if you have a business out there, man, don't look for that initial investment. Try to start as small as you can, man. Build it up from the ground, scale it, make it scalable. That's what your business should be about. Make your business scalable from the get-go, man. If you have to take on extra capital to start your business up, man, figure out a way where you can do it without doing that, man. Find your customer, find your strategy, and try to scale that business up without that initial first big investment, man. Make your shit profitable first, and then scale it up. Keep scaling it all the way up. So, man, we're going to hit $1 million in this account.
Hey, if it ain't broke, don't fix it as well. Like, this is one of those things where obviously you can add on to your attachments over time. Like, ICT has a whole arsenal of things that you can bring out on the chart and do X, Y, and Z. But literally, I mentioned Patrick the other day. This dude Patrick, he trades one form of, he just trades a simple breakout. And like, if that's what works for you, that's great. Like, you can find something and stick to it, and you can be consistent in this marketplace and do damage. Just stay consistent with what you're doing, and over time continue to learn and study. But you find something that works, stick to it, run it up.
Damn right. Damn right. Man, stick to your plan.
We're finding that thing.
Stick to your plan. Stick to your plan at all costs. Man, buy and sell. Stick to your plan. And continue to stay disciplined. This whole market is about discipline and emotion. So if you lose your discipline, you become emotional, man. You're gonna end up squandering, and you're gonna lose money eventually. But man, keep staying focused. Keep staying enlightened. Keep learning. Keep scaling. Keep repeating the same thing. Literally, this whole market, bro, is just a repetition on repetition of the same, damn near the same thing, most every single day. And if you can find your little niche, in the market, then you could scale that up over time. My man ICT made over damn near $20,000 this morning, and we essentially even had a better entry than this man. But man, the master does what he does.
That's just what we saw. That's just what we saw. You know what I'm saying? He might have ran up six,
Right.
six figures
He
today.
may have ran up $170,000.
Not even sure.
This thing is that scalable. That's what makes me just super ecstatic, man. If there's a possibility, man, this is the possibility right here. Getting in front of these markets, getting in that liquidity, getting in these zones. It is possible for you to make $170,000 a day in this market. Man, that's what makes it so precious. That's what makes it so awesome, man. This is the career of a lifetime right here. It may be frustrating.
Monday through Friday. Straight up.
It's
Monday through Friday.
Yeah.
You got a Wi-Fi connection.
Go ahead.
My bad. If you Monday through Friday, if you got a Wi-Fi connection, bro, you're in the game.
Straight up, man. I hate Saturday and Sundays.
Bro, it's the
Man,
worst, bro.
is it Monday yet?
All I can do is gym and study, bro.
Is it Monday yet?
Is it Monday? Join us on Twitter, man. Me and Drew going ham on Twitter.
Straight up, I'm gonna drop my links down below. TradeX Drew and AJ Wayne _ Follow my man ICT at _I_.
I tell you what, too.
ICT, man. Follow him.
The first 5 people to join our Discord and randomly pop in here, we're gonna give them something. I got a little gift for you. Something special too.
Okay, you heard it here live. Mr. Wayne got a gift for you. The first 5 people click that Discord link down below. Pop up in the chat, man. Show your face, show your voice. Man, we got some gifts for you. So, man, good ass week. Good ass Friday. Man, we're going to keep running it up. I'm at 500. Mr. Wayne's sitting at 400. In the next coming weeks, I expect some big moves in the market, man. We're going to be making big moves every day. Spying that liquidity, hunting in them zones, running this shit up all the way to $1 million. This is 0 to $1 million. Coming to you live. Mr. Wayne in the building. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
You got desire. You got that fire. And I'm not a liar.